You already know who's back in the kitchen. Y'all better be quiet. Y'all better run. We are back in the kitchen and we are going to make some food.
Yes, another meal.
Chicken.
Dairy.
Everybody give it up for Jiffy Halo. But
We don't use real eggs, so it says meow meow.
1 egg, 1/3 a cup of milk. Right? Well, we'll do exactly that. That's how you want to stir them cupcakers. Wait, what are these cornbread muffins?
Oh, that looks decent. I'm so happy. But I'm thirsty and hungry as shit.
Yeah, the food is done, y'all. We made a chicken and rice concoction, and then we have our muffins and our butter and Sprite. Let's go. You like the muffins? Ooh. Ooh. Steaming, bruh. Hot.
You already know it's
That came out good. Shit. Don't you just love when the buttermilk, bruh?
I love when she doesn't listen to me when I tell her stop using the butter sticks.
I like the way it came. I can't go anymore.
Salted.
Told you that damn is steaming. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
It's delicious.
Oh! Oh. Not done yet.
Oh. Oh. Y'all gotta wiggle. Oh. I might just fart on you, bro.
I'll stab you in the ass with this fork.
Y'all. Oh.
Damn near almost made me choke on my food. I'm gonna scare the shit out of you. This is happening in real time, guys. Ew, that sounds like fucking puke. That's enough. She's done. She's not doing it anymore. That's it. Goodbye.